Hello everyone, it's Jim Castor, KF4LYE. Welcome back to the Hammond Radio Lab. In this video we're going to go ahead and install Windows on this laptop and well, it's about ready to get started. Let me get the camera in the right place and we'll get started. Okay, if you'll notice well, y'all can't see that one. If you'll notice over in here, this is showing that the Kingston drive is one it wants to install from. It still sees the Debian. And we'll go ahead and select that. And we're in the Windows install. So we click Next, Install Now. License Agreement. Well, I don't have anything on that drive. On this episode, we're going to continue on with the laptop from Dell. So, as you saw in the last episode, Windows would not find the drive, and you can't load if you can't find the drive. What I did notice, I went with Hiren's boot disk, and that would not find it either. I used Ubuntu, and it found it. I tried to format it. That wouldn't work. I loaded or used Dell on it. Noticed it found it. So I installed Dell or the Debian on the M2 drive. So now I've got to erase the other drive so I can load Windows on it. So we've got a stand-in computer. For that, I got an HP. It's getting old now, but it's still working good. So what I've got is the external adapter for the SSD drive. And I guess, out of curiosity, we are to see what, well, come on, there we go. We can find out about this drive. So this PC, come on, there you go. It does not see it. Which of course it wouldn't, because this is a a Linux drive at the moment. Give me a moment. Okay, I figured out how to get to where I need to be, which open up File Manager, and on this PC, right click, show more options, and then Manage, and down here Disk Management. It sees that I've got the Windows drive, which is NTFS. Since this second drive here is ext4 or Linux, it does not see it. It just sees the partitions and saying that they're all healthy. So, next thing to do, open up the command prompt. I think it's disk part. Okay. Next is to list. Did I stutter? Oh, list disk. Okay, I've got two of them there. One of them's the 1 gig, and the other one is the Windows drive. Select disk 1. And clean. Now that it's cleaned the disk, we should be able to see it. And let's see here. This PC, it does not see it. But disk management, not device. All right, it sees it, but it wants to initialize. So at least it's seeing it. Cancel. Unallocated. So, get this sucker back in the other laptop, and Windows installer should see it. So if you don't mind, on your way out, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Hopefully we'll see how it goes.